believe in fate.
Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. We are getting ready to take you guys inside of the model home of our home that we are currently getting built. So this is the model home and our home is right here, and they are building. Okay guys, we're trying to get some lighting. So we snuck in the new construction of our house. They don't know we in here.
Really?
We've been waiting for them to leave, but they worked
They're taking too long
until sundown. So maybe when it's daylight, y'all can get a better view.
Yeah, so we just